The Olympia Taverna has been a fixture in Rutland for decades. 5 months ago, when it was gutted by fire, it looked like the end. But now, work has begun to tear down the rubble and rebuild.
It was a little surreal. You know, it was 11:30 at night. I got a phone call, the restaurant's on fire. Restaurant's on fire, so I come running down, and sure enough, the restaurant's on fire. I mean, at that time, we didn't know the extent of the damage. We thought that they could get in there, get it out, you know, be shut down a couple months, fix it up, and away we go. As it turned out, part of that building being as old as it was, you know, a lot of sawdust insulation in some of the walls, the old walls, and fire got into there, and the firemen had a hell of a time trying to get that out. So it was tough. So, you know, we were just standing there watching it all come to the ground pretty much.
So how does it feel today, after you've gone through all of the stuff with your insurance, etc., to see work being done to rebuild it?
It's about time. Yeah, it seems like it was a long time, but I guess there's a lot of logistics with the insurance company, engineering, a lot of the building inside there. They couldn't get in at the beginning to do their full analysis and, you know, their reports and that for, you know, the fire inspectors. But finally the time is here, and it'll all come down, and it'll be better than ever.
Yeah. How does it feel to see those walls that, you know, you worked in and practically lived in for all those years, to see them torn down?
It was a little emotional yesterday when the first shovels went into the building, but now it's like, let's get it done. You know, we saved what we can. We'll get new pictures and new stuff up there, so it'll be something new for everybody.
I'm sure you have heard lots of words of encouragement from people who feel an attachment to your place.
Oh, definitely. I mean, the phone calls, the Facebook posts, all the signs, I don't know if you've seen them up front, of encouragement and hoping we rebuild quickly and how they miss us. You know, it's humbling. It really is. You know, we've been almost 50 years in this location alone, over 50 years doing Olympia in Kelowna, and, you know, we got a big following, and, you know, 3-4 generations of families have been coming, and it's really cool to see. And we miss everybody. We miss you all, and we will be back, and looking forward to see everyone.
Can't wait, Mike. Thanks for this.
Thank you.